This is proof that we weren't alone. Okay, what does that even mean? This is either going to be very scary or very interesting. Okay, here we go. Is that an elephant? Is that an elephant shaped mountain cause? That's what I'm seeing right now. What? No, that's got to be a coincidence. Bro, the elephants did not have like cities on top of them, bro. Wait, why is that entire thing shaped like an elephant? Why does this mountain have stripes? Wait, I've heard that it was from like a ginormous bear. Like, look, there's even rocks underneath it. Yeah, dude, what the heck? It was called M. And it was approximately 600 foot tall. That would make sense why there's scratches, but there's no way that's actually real. Subscribe.